Originally designed by Ismail Levy, reimagined by Steve Marchetti. Welcome to 29A at 207 East 57th. Originally, the doors opened here in 2005, but just last year, this whole large 3-bedroom condo was totally reimagined. Now you have brand new finishes and touches everywhere with a Lutron system, Sub-Zero, Wolf, Bosch, and everything else you would expect from a bespoke luxury condominium. Thank you for checking out 29A today with me, David. If you're looking for a 3-bed, 3-bath with panoramic views and brand new everything, please reach out. My name is David and I am the key.